Welcome to the future of smartphones. Today we are reviewing the OnePlus 15.
This device brings a brand new design with a premium flagship look.
Glass and metal body gives it a strong and elegant feel in hand. Experience the power of the new OnePlus 15.
The camera module is redesigned for a more futuristic appearance. On the front, you get a stunning edge-to-edge display.
The AMOLED display delivers ultra-sharp and vibrant colors. Experience the new OnePlus 15.
120Hz refresh rate makes every scroll extremely smooth.
Experience the peak of mobile display technology. Brightness is strong even under direct sunlight. The all-new OnePlus 15 makes every detail shine.
The new OnePlus 15 provides a truly immersive viewing experience, bringing your favorite content to life like never before.
The bezels are ultra-thin for a modern, premium experience.
Now let's talk about performance.
The OnePlus 15 is powered by a next-generation flagship processor. Experience the true power.
Apps open instantly with zero lag. Experience the pure speed of the new OnePlus 15.
Baiwa. Experience absolute power. Multitasking is smooth, even with heavy usage. This is the OnePlus 15.
Gaming performance is extremely powerful and stable.
High-end games run without frame drops.
Thermal control keeps the device cool under pressure. Experience ultimate performance.
Now moving to the camera system. Meet the all-new OnePlus 15. The main camera captures ultra-detailed photos. Experience it today.
Low-light photography is improved significantly.
Colors look natural and balanced in every shot. Experience the world as it is with the new OnePlus 15.
Ultra-wide lens captures more detail in every frame.
Portrait mode delivers professional quality depth. Portrait mode delivers professional quality depth.
Experience the future of mobile videography. Video recording is smooth and stable. Meet the all-new OnePlus 15.
Now let's talk about battery life.
I've been pushing this OnePlus 15 all day, and the battery easily lasts a full day of heavy use, with plenty to spare. This is the real deal.
Fast charging gets you back to 100% in minutes.
Battery optimization is highly efficient.
Software experience is clean and fast.
This is the brand new OnePlus 15. Feels smooth and modern. Swiping through apps is incredibly responsive. It is effortlessly fluid. You really have to experience it yourself.
No unnecessary apps, just pure performance.
Experience the new OnePlus 15. Security features are fast and reliable. Your data has never been safer.
Connectivity is strong with latest network support.
The all-new OnePlus 15. Overall build quality feels premium and durable. Meet the all-new OnePlus 15. This phone is built for power users. Experience extreme performance. Never settle.
It combines performance, design, and innovation perfectly. This is the OnePlus 15.
Thanks for watching. This is the OnePlus 15, a true flagship experience.